Hi, I'm Brandon, here to talk about the $16 million bond proposal for Mason Schools this May. Known as Eagle Nation, we pride ourselves on being a learning community where tradition meets innovation.
But just like maintaining our homes, we also must care for the buildings we call a second home.
This bond focuses only on basic, essential areas such as mechanical and cosmetic needs, including replacing aging heating and cooling ventilation systems, and only necessary boilers and pumps, roofing, windows, and ceiling tiles. These practical updates are critical to keeping our schools safe, efficient, and moving forward.
As a lifelong member of Eagle Nation, I urge you to check out our website for more information on this important bond. And don't forget to vote on May 6th. Let's preserve our traditions while building for the future.
Eagle Nation, your destination.